Hi guys, and welcome back to the vlog. So today, it's currently Wednesday, July 8th. The last time I saw you guys was last week when we got the keys to our new apartment. So this will be part 2 of our moving vlog. It's currently 1 o'clock in the afternoon. This morning I was just moving over a bunch of small things like my shoes, my bathing suits, sorry, it cut me off. Just some random stuff like that. Then I went to Target and Walmart and picked up a bunch of stuff for the apartment, just some like little things that we needed. So I came back home after I did that and ate some lunch. I just had some avocado toast with some eggs because we don't have anything else in the house. So yeah, so Jack is currently at work right now and I have the day off. So I decided to just get a head start on all that stuff. So the good thing about this move is that my lease here doesn't end until July 16th or 18th, I think. So I have like a week or two left to move over all the stuff here to the new apartment, which is just across the street. So we can like slowly move stuff over, which is nice because I don't have to like rent a moving truck or anything. So our furniture won't actually be here until Sunday. Both of our families are coming up on Sunday morning to bring our bed, the couches, and just some other random stuff like that. So that's why we're not sleeping there yet, because we literally don't have a bed. We have my bed here. We're going to be using Jack's bed from his mom's house because mine is literally like a rock. Like, it's so uncomfortable. So anyways, that's a little update. I am going to bring you guys over with me to the new apartment, and I'm going to be bringing Miss Boo over with me to see the apartment for the first time. So yeah, I'll share with you guys what I got from Walmart and Target when I get over there, and then I'll show you guys what Boo thinks of the place. Yeah. Yep, so I will see you guys when I get to the new apartment. Where are you, Boo? I'm not sure if she likes it or not. She's like trying to find a hiding spot. Where are you? Yeah. It's okay. Oh. Nice. Don't go back there. Alright, so while Boo figures out what's going on, I'm going to just load everything in my car up here. Like I said, I got a bunch of stuff. It's like random stuff. I don't know if it'll be interesting or not, but you know, I like to watch hauls too. So I'm gonna go get the stuff that I got from Target and Walmart, and then I will show you guys. Where is she? I think she doesn't know what to... There's like no furniture, so I don't know if she's enjoying this very much. I have not drank enough water today. So, let us get into a little apartment haul. So like I said, this is just like little stuff. I don't even know if it's going to be interesting, but I personally love watching what people get from the store. Like, even if it's just like normal random stuff, I just love it. So if this isn't interesting to you guys, I'm sorry. It'll get more interesting from here. So like I said, I'm going to be moving stuff, or Jack and I are going to be moving stuff over from my old apartment little by little, because we have like a week or two left until my lease ends at my old place, and then we'll have everything here. For me personally, I use a bunch of my roommates like kitchen stuff, so I didn't have like anything. So I hope this kind of helps you guys if you're about to move as well, just kind of get an idea of things to think of or things to go ahead and start buying before you start moving. So let's start with Walmart. So I went to Walmart, obviously, and I got just 2 cheap little cutting boards because I don't have any. These were literally like 85 cents each. I just got 2 for now. If we need more, I'll just use, so I got 2, 1 for meat and then 1 for like veggies and stuff, so you don't like cross-contaminate. Ew. And then I just got a shower liner for the bathroom. Something nice about this apartment is it already came with like a shower curtain rod, so I don't have to worry about that. We just have to get a new shower curtain because the one I have now is pink, and Jack doesn't want a pink one, which I don't blame him. It's our apartment, not mine. So then I got this little KitchenAid like sponge holder. I know, really random, but I just hate whenever like the sponge is just like laying in the sink or like laying on the counter and gets all gross and like So I just got this, long story short. And then I just got some more dishwasher detergent. I could have waited to get this, but I did get some plates and like some other stuff that I wanted to go ahead and wash before I put it in the cabinet. And then I just got some more trash bags, you know, nothing too exciting there. This litter box, if you have a cat, these things are a miracle. I got them in just the cat section at Walmart. So you just drop one of these, 1 or 2 of these, down into your cat's litter box, and I have never ever smelled Boo's litter since I've had her. Like, I've never had anybody, everybody is always surprised that it doesn't smell like cat in my house. You know what I mean? Like, whenever like a cat's litter box smells bad and you can like smell it when you walk in, it's because of these. Like, I swear it's this with her litter. I use the OcoCat like natural litter or whatever, and I drop one of these down in there and you can't smell her litter box ever, even if it's dirty, which I don't. I also scoop it and like wash it out a lot, but these are a game changer if you have cats. I just got a couple of these just like white cheap bowls because we don't have any dishware yet, and the one that we want is kind of expensive, so we don't want to buy everything all at once. So we just got, these were like 50 cents each. They're microwave safe, dishwasher safe. So I just got 4 bowls, and then I got 6 plates. So I just got a few of these like cream color white ones. I just think they're really pretty, and for them to be 50 cents each. And then I just got some gray ones as well. So now I'm going to move on to the stuff that I got from Target. Y'all, I love the dollar section at Target. They have so many good things. Like, whenever I'm about to move, that's where I go to buy like all of my organization bins. So technically these are for like a teacher's classroom, but what I'm going to use them for is for under the sink. So these are supposed to be like a book box for teachers in their classroom, but I'm going to use them for organization under the sink. So I'm just going to put like our dish soap, cleaning supplies down in here and stick it under our sink just to make it a little bit more organized. That's what I'm going to be using these for. They were only $3. So if you have a Target nearby, they have a bunch of these in a bunch of different colors. I just got black so it would like look nice. I just got 2 of them. And then I also just got a 3-pack of these little organizers. I'm going to put them down probably in the kitchen drawers or the bathroom drawers. These were pretty cheap as well. They were like in the organization bin section in Target. And then I also got so I got these, and then I also got like these little square rectangle ones. I'm just trying to be like super organized in this apartment since it is kind of on the smaller side. I mean, there's a lot of storage and stuff, but I just hate whenever like your drawers don't have like any organization to them. So I just got these to help with that, and they're both a 3-pack. And then the thing I'm most excited for is these Pyrex glass containers. This is an 18-piece set. It comes with all of these different little containers. I got these from Target as well, obviously. I've been wanting to switch over to glass containers for a really long time now because they are just better for you. They're better for you. They store stuff better. Like, stuff just stays fresher a lot longer in glass containers, and you don't have to worry about like any toxins getting into your food when you reheat it. Hey guys, and just just wanted to apologize real quick for the iPhone quality. I got here, left my camera over here and everything, and I realized that I did not have a memory card in my camera. Yeah, but I just wanted to quickly update you guys on what's going on over here. So it's currently Saturday, so it's like a couple days after I last talked to you guys, and we've made some progress over here. Still no furniture. That'll be here tomorrow. Our Jack and I's families are bringing over a bed, couches, TV, all of that stuff tomorrow, and they're gonna help us move like my desk and stuff and like the bigger things over from my other apartment right now, because they have trucks and U-Hauls and stuff. So that'll be tomorrow. I am like a little sweaty and disgusting feeling right now because I have spent all morning loading, unloading, carrying things down, carrying things up into the new apartment from the other apartment, just like little things like my clothes, some kitchen stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Everything is like all over the place. It's in shambles. So we just have like a bunch of bags of stuff here. I have put some stuff in the pantry. That was a couple of days ago that I did that. We have some bowls and cups now. Very exciting, very exciting. Oh, and I got a rug yesterday. So in our living room, we just have a lone rug, our Wi-Fi router, and Boo's bed. So, you know, it's coming along slowly but surely. What else do we have? Oh, I just like brought over my blender, just a box of random stuff. And then you want to see what we have in the fridge? It's kind of funny. We have a thing of oat milk, some peanut butter, some tuna, and Trulies. You know, the necessities. In here, the bathroom still looks the same. I haven't really added anything in here yet. I think I've already showed you guys that. And then we have the closet. So I brought some stuff yesterday and just hung it up real quick. I have like my bathing suits, Boo's stuff, some of my shoes, and then today I brought over all of this stuff. So it's quite a mess. I can't wait to see. Yeah, but I just can't wait to see everything like all put together. This stresses me out so much because everything is just like randomly put in boxes and like randomly all over the floor. Yeah. So I don't have a lot. I need to go grocery shopping, but I just put like all my supplements, like protein, pre-workout, my like electrolyte stuff from Jigsaw Health, just like that kind of stuff, like my greens powder. I just put it all up there just so it's like, you know, in the same like category, I guess. And then here I'm gonna put, I didn't bring over all of my spices and stuff, but I think that's where I'm gonna put all of like my spices and my tea. I don't know what else I'm gonna put there, but we will see. And then I have just like my PT.2 powder, actually I'm gonna put this down here. And then I'm gonna put my canned foods there as well, I think. I'm probably gonna end up changing all of this around once I get like some little organizer things. But just for now, it's fine. And then here, I'm gonna end up putting like our tortillas and bread and stuff here, and also our snacks. And then here is just like some condiment type stuff. So like tahini, this is the best sugar-free barbecue sauce ever, by the way. It's like honey flavored, 10 out of 10, recommend. And then I just have like honey, maple syrup, coconut oil. And then down here is where I'm gonna keep like our rice, pasta, lentils, and then back here is like our superfood powders, like my spirulina, chia seeds, all that stuff. And then this little bucket here is like baking things, so like sugar, flour, baking soda, that kind of stuff. I'm probably gonna end up changing it all around a couple of times before I get it to where we like it, but just for now it's fine. And then over here I just have our Ninja blender. Again, I'll probably end up moving that or even just putting it like away in a cabinet just so you can't see it. I don't know. So in here I just have coffee mugs. I actually collect these, so like they're the Starbucks travel mugs, so wherever you go, like, so for example, this one's from South Carolina, this one's from New Orleans. I have a couple more at the other apartment, but I used them, so they were in the dishwasher. And then just like my regular ones, and then like coffee stuff, because I'm gonna put the coffee maker here, so just like all the stuff is just easy to get to. And then in here I'm keeping like all of our Tupperware and our glass storage, food storage containers, and then the plastic ones are up there. So I don't know if I put anything in here yet. Nope, she empty. So yeah, that's it for the kitchen stuff for today, at least, because that's all I've brought over. So now I'm just gonna go into the closet and put my clothes away. And I don't wanna do that because that's my least favorite thing to do. I hate putting clothes away. Comment below if you agree. I just really hate it. I hate doing laundry, I hate putting clothes away, I hate folding clothes, I just hate all of it. I don't mind actually like putting them into the washing machine, but every other part, don't like it. Just would rather do anything else. Anything. Ta-da! So if you follow me on Instagram, which you showed, you would see that I color coded my shirts and stuff, and I kind of tried to do that with my pants, but I like cut all my jeans in the same section, skirts, shorts, that kind of thing, just because it makes it look a little bit nicer. And yeah, so I just put my shoes under here. I know my shoes are dirty, I need to wash them. Also, I don't know how this happened, but I only brought over one of these. I don't know where the other one is. Gotta find that, I guess. And then like all of my dress shoes and like boots and winter shoes and stuff are up in there. And then like my sweatshirts and jean jackets and stuff are in there. And then my bathing suits are in this one. I need to go through that and like make it look a little bit nicer. Yeah, so it's coming along. I still have some clothes over at the other apartment. Hey guys, so it is a little bit later. I just finished unpacking some stuff, and then I went home, grabbed all of the stuff out of the fridge and brought it over here. Ran by Chick-fil-A, so got me some Chick-fil-A, got my laptop sitting on the floor currently. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. The next time you guys see, so in the next moving vlog, we will have furniture. We will be actually living here. So it'll look a whole lot different than it does right now. So that's really exciting. So I'm just gonna sit here on the floor, eat some lunch, and edit this video that you are watching right now. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up because it really supports your girl and all that stuff. So go outside and do something that makes you happy today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!